Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the control board assembly in your dishwasher, you will need to uninstall the appliance. To do this, turn off the power to your dishwasher and shut off the water supply valve. Detach the lower access panel by lifting it up from the bottom. Use a 5/8" wrench or an adjustable wrench to help unthread the water supply line from the inlet valve elbow fitting. Be prepared for some water to spill. Next, use a Phillip head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the junction box cover. Then pull the cover off. Note the location of the wires, then untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the strain relief nut if applicable, and detach the strain relief from the junction box. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Very carefully pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Detach the insulation blanket from the frame. Fully detach the clear plastic shield and remove the screws securing the control board housing to the frame. Slide the housing to the rear to detach. Unthread the screw to release the cover. Cut the zip ties securing the control board wires. Note the orientation of the wires, then disconnect them from the board. Open the dishwasher door and use a Phillip head screwdriver to unthread the mounting screws securing the outer door panel. Slide the door panel down to remove. Remove the insulation. Next, unthread the screws securing the control panel. Detach the panel. Now unthread the screws securing the program board and set the board aside. Unthread the screws to release the display board. Next, remove the screws securing the base panel. Detach the panel. Now pull the control board assembly wire harness through the frame so it rests in front of the dishwasher. Cut the zip ties securing the wire harness and pull the old control board assembly free. Prepare the new control board assembly for installation by disconnecting the wire harness from the control board. Feed the wire harness under the door hinge bar, over the base panel, and through the groove in the water softener dispenser. Use zip ties to secure the wire harness. Reposition the base panel and secure it with the screws. Position the new program and display boards in the control panel, then rethread the screws to secure them. Reposition the control panel on the inner door panel and rethread the screws to secure. Slide the styrofoam insulation into the door frame. Replace the outer door panel by sliding the edges up behind the control panel. Hold the panel in place as you rethread the mounting screws. Next, attach all of the wires to the appropriate terminals on the new control board. Now position the control board in the provided housing, then thread the screw to secure it. Use zip ties to secure the wires to the housing. Align the housing cover and secure it with the screw. Insert the housing tabs into the slots in the frame and slide the housing forward. Rethread the screws to secure. Attach the shield to the new housing and tuck it behind the housing. Use zip ties to secure the insulation blanket to the frame. Make sure the end of the drain hose is accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Fully position the wire strain relief in the junction box and secure the strain relief nut, if applicable. Connect the wires and secure them using the wire nuts. Realign the cover and replace the screw to secure. Reconnect the water supply line to the inlet valve elbow fitting. Realign the lower access panel and snap it into place. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, as well as the power, and your dishwasher should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.